How to install new strings on your Powermate wheeled string trimmer. Note, only use flexible, non-metallic strings with either .095 or .105 diameters with this trimmer. For installation of both .095 and .105 inch diameter strings, first stop the engine and remove the spark plug lead. Cut 2 lengths of new trimmer string to 16.5 inches long. Insert one end of the string into the side opening of the retainer. Route through the rear and out the opposite side of the opening. Pull the string so that equal lengths are on each side. While sliding the movable tab back, route one end of the string back through the side opening and out the front of the retainer. Likewise, route the remaining end through its side opening and out the front of the retainer. Once again, adjust the string so that equal lengths extend from the trimmer head. Repeat this process on the opposite side. After the strings have been successfully attached, you can reconnect your spark plug lead and return to trimming with your Powermate wheeled string trimmer.